soul music at the copyright. Cha. Feel away. So the I'm going to question no more though.
Them second loan I know still.
Janos.
Sinola face.
Yeah.
Sinola face you look pretty and done. Face by mail do that. On Instagram. Auntie. 50,000 I for pay.
Yeah?
To make sure do a face. 50. And she my auntie. How could you, Melissa? How could you?
Some access. So why? Why?
$50,000 for the Lola face.
Now make sure wash your face, you know. Okay, you can't make that 50. You can't make that 50,000 just last for 1 day.
Melissa. Oh, let me tell you when you can find her part. Face by mail. Now make sure you tag her in there and tell her, say, bring back $50,000.
Yeah, man, check out your pictures of NASA.
You feel that way still, but that's all life goes still. You win, you lose.
You win, you lose, man. So, let me say about Lola and the husband.
I make you see the grandparents first.
Yeah.
I'm going to mother now. So then the face still.
Face still.
Like a godmother, like she have baby.
So, how much pet you have? Animal or what the case might be?
Oh, animal, they know. There's one thing we left to get now, that's one goat.
One goat? So one you have? One you have in a farm there?
I have the guinea pig, I have the chicken, I have my rabbit, I have my fowl. Is a bird too?
No.
Bird. Yeah, I'm a bird. I just go we need to get now. I'm done. I'm legit.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I get the goat, but I get the duck. My grandfather cost me.
Why?
You don't want a duck, please.
You don't want a dog?
No.
Okay.
No. But I just go me to get now. You know?
Same alright with the goat?
Tomorrow to the goat, man. Tomorrow to the goat.
Okay.
Love animals, you understand, people?
That's good though.
Any stray animals out there, but stray, call me, DM me.
Yeah?
DM me. So if you want me to save the bird and take care of him,
Yeah.
call me, DM me. Understand? Animals and pets, sponsor me, DM me.
So in a reptile around and a snake, no nothing?
No, I couldn't have anything there on it.
Oh, you know this?
If we have anything there on, you know, my whole something that mash up. You understand? Not do them things around me. Not do them things. Why my shoes, bird, and all of those things? Because we love animals, you understand?
You understand?
Going at the animal thing big, you understand? Do that, so I have to big up to my grandfather, you understand?
Yeah.
Big up to him. The 10 compartment cage, big up to cage man and bird man.
So, me know you talking about dog. You have dog?
Oh, Steve, come here, man. Come. Steve. My dog feed place.
Wow, dog nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one.
Okay.
Do that in name.
So like when you love Miss Donna like that, suppose Miss Donna birthday and she say she want your dog for her birthday. Like get a dog? Get a dog?
Depends. Lava, you ask me some question in a lava. Lava.
Yeah.
Come, no, you do them thing, boy. Do them things. You embarrass me. Stop. Pause. When you do them things, let me kiss you and I quiet. Do them things, everyone. Stop me. Monkey piece of dog.
Right.
Do you want to see things you never see that?
You see it. Going to real business.
Take it out to your side.
Mind my own business.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Mind my own business.
People stop put on me laughing emoji. I feel away, people.
People don't do it. Him feel away, people. Him feel away.
Don't do it.
People, him feel away. Not do it, people. Yeah,
Don't
him feel away.
Alright.
So people want to, if I you do your laundry and all them look or something there.
Well, it depends. Mm. 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 Meh. Meh.
Okay, low it alone then.
Manala, shut and
Low it alone. 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 Okay. Okay. So so everything with you different than with COVID situation and quarantine and everything. Well, you know you can't get for those certain things and how you feel towards that.
Everybody too feel away. You're not gonna feel away.
Okay.
You have life, we have stand on it right now. Like we have breathe, when they're in the hospital. All the people that are on the level, no, so they're not in the hospital.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I thank God for that. And if we can't find food, we thank God for that. But one thing we have to thank God for, we wake up this morning, I will get to see the sunshine, but sometimes the sun come out. Sometimes on rainy days.
True.
But at least I get up.
At least
You
you get
understand?
up. Right. Rise and
Yeah.
shine.
And I move.
Move
You
around.
understand?
Yes. Rise and shine.
You have to learn how to take that out there. No. I'm not really say you have to really avoid that. You have to try to block out that.
Right. Because you cannot go around it.
You understand?
Right.
Just block it.
I like
Just
that.
learn that. And everything could be cruising. You know?
True that. So I like how you talk about family and all those stuff. That's great. When you come is where you come and see. I just that in your mind for ever since.
I just my family first, you know.
Yeah.
And they help me out and my family first. My family first. Always.
Okay. Okay. So when did you get the message from me now? What do you feel about the message when you get the message from me?
Feel nice, you know? Feel nice.
Yeah?
Feel nice, Lava. Lava, feel nice.
Yeah, you tell your parents them.
Yeah, of course, I tell my parents them. You understand?
So Lava contact me.
Yeah. Feel good that day.
Respect for that, man. Yeah, man. People are say, no, Donte, I go by your page and I say, lie, mature and yeah, me like, you know? Yeah, man.
So, you see if you do the good things over, people are gonna come to you.
True.
You understand? But I love Instagram so much, you know. But I'm not too like YouTube, you know. Instagram, you don't have thumbs down. And you don't have, you just don't have Instagram, you just have an app. Just you love it. So who hate it? Can't show say they hate it.
That's true.
That's why I love Instagram so much. That's why people say, ask, I'm too young to be on Instagram. Why I love Instagram so much? Because I love that goodness, I love the good vibes.
Yeah, you can relate to people all over the world at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
YouTube, no, you have the thumbs down, no, that bun me. Come on, woman could have to forget a thumbs down. So any people who want more that again, we don't mind it. Watch the video over again, and have a sit.
Right, so you don't understand.
Alright, that's what I want to
But the people, alright, listen what I'm saying to you, right? Like I said, when you do good, people are going to forward to you, right? Chat and Laugh, no, the program here are going for a couple of months now. Since the quarantine, and it become the number one quarantine show. A lot of people bash it and talk a lot of negative things about it. Even the stardom over your people go at them, right? But they not really say the good thing what we do. So everybody make sure to me say, don't make you leave the show until you pray for it.
That's a must. You understand?
Okay.
That must. Keep on doing the work. Just kind of train. You say like you can block out, like me learn how to block out corona. But if you made,
Right.
you can't go around it, you know, but you learn how to block out.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
But more if you do know, try block out all the bad things and what I feel. And everybody on the live right now, try learn how to do that.
True.
You don't make bad mind and envious. I don't, when I think them more they exist. I keep them there without a film out. You understand? You don't
listen now. We're going to do something right now, right? Yeah, you message you? Chat and Laugh family willing to buy the goat for you.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yes, we're willing to buy the goat for you. Yes. Yes. We're going to buy the goat. You're not for saying me no more. You're not for saying me no more. And December we in, you're not for saying me no more. December.
Lover,
Yeah.
keep on doing the good work.
People, chat and laugh, people. I'm going to buy the goat right now. See the cash up there, the people and the sell there. We're going to buy it, Donte the goat. We love your vibes. We love your energy. If you're 12-year-old. You understand me? We love your vibes. We love your energy. And you take a time out. Probably you could have do this I'd do something else right now. But you said no. You give love the respect here and show chat and laugh and the respect. So people, the cash up is there. The PayPal is there. The Zelle is there. Right this up. We're going to buy him the goat. We're going to buy the goat.
Feel good, lover.
Rita, we're going to buy the goat.
Lover, you see?
Yeah.
Tell you something you asked to do. You see? When people say rich and poor, right?
Right.
Hear me? Rich don't exist. Rich do not exist. I don't know what is rich. Rich is something. Today you might have a little money and tomorrow that gone. You know what I'm trying to say?
Right.
You say if you can help out somebody, you do it because you love do it. But not help out nobody because I'm never say, oh, I help out. No, I don't do this.
True.
Thanks a lot, Lava. Thanks everybody on the live.
If I remember, you know, you never forward on the show and say, your hawks me for buy one goat. We decide to buy the goat.
Really respect that, Lava. Really
Yes.
respect that.
People,
Really.
chat and laugh, people. See the cash up there, see the PayPal there, see the Zelle there. We're going to do it. We're going to do
All
it.
the foreigners out there, all the foreigners and Jamaicans out there right now.
Don't make Auntie Dana see her cry.
Don't want me not cry, man. Get out that.
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
But everybody out there, thanks a lot. You know, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, you know. Really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. And all this good happened to me. I just want one day if I just get, you know, well, be knowing and have my local cash and everything. I want to help out a lot of people. That's all I do. That's all I want to do.
Donte, remember this. You are just 12. And the aim you have, and the mentality you have, it will happen. You understand me? No rush it. You are just 12. And wait for people look up to you. Not because I'm older than you, I still look up to you. I could be a father. My son at 12. You understand me? It's not about the age why we look up to people. And the mindset. The mindset. You understand me? And the mindset why we look up to people. And the mindset where you have, we respect it over here. You understand me? We respect it over here.
Really appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
Come on, then. Come on, come on.
One thing, you know. One thing I know in life, you know. Before my mother passed away, my mother out at him and say, take care of my grandparents them. Take care of my grandparents them, my 3 grandparents them. She ever tell me that. So I always know, say, the kids them come first, the family first. And Cartel always I say, family first. You understand me? And the mindset where you have as a 12-year-old, enough man who have 30 and 40 and not have the mindset where you have. Not, man and woman not have the mindset where you have. So continue it another way there and focus and say that thing the name school and the bookwork. Don't play with it and don't leave it out. And remember, respect. Respect
Manners.
bring you through and manners bring you through.
My grandfather ever tell me that
Yeah,
I
man.
don't like because
Yeah, man.
manners.
Respect and manners bring you through.
One more thing, Baba. You see the kids out there watch me right now, you know say there are a lot of kids watching.
Right.
When they say that what adults, you don't curse. I see a lot of that happen.
True.
There are a lot of kids out
True.
here. A lot of people, foreign people know that they out here go on.
True.
If they say that people,
Right.
in any body they say, they could have said they look as young brother, no curse beside that.
True.
Understand? Don't curse. Understand? You maybe just go up and see that happen around your surroundings. But try to set an example. Try we as young kids we could change the world. But if we could start from now, so that really mean a lot. We need to set an example. Although sometimes the parents they don't set an example. There's good parents. There are bad parents and good parents.
True.
But all the people them out there curse in front of them picnic, please just set an example, do the right thing. Cause them same one, me see. Them curse beside a whole man. Them curse beside a them little brother. Stop and just do the good thing.
True.
And we want just that.
True.
And for sure say, and never you when you talk to somebody, you shot back, you kiss your teeth. If you feel that way, just keep it to yourself. You don't make it feel, don't make the older person. She say you feel that way. And you understand me trying to say, Lava?
You're right.
Manners, that's manners overall.
Respect.
You always have manners for your younger ones them, and your older ones. Them.
Same thing. That's what I tell you, say, not because I'm older than myself. I look up to you, certain way. Look, when you look up, it's not about age, it's about the mindset. You understand? So, we need to pray for you now. But people remember, the cash up is there, the PayPal is there, and the Zelle is there. We're going to support him, and what am I do? We need to pray for me.
Alright, dear Lord, in this night, Lava, the shut and love, the banker crew, everybody out there, look up to me. Every little kids out there who don't have anything to eat, Father, that I pray tomorrow, just put something on them table. Because there's a lot of things going on in this world. I just pray that some people out there could just block out the corona and just do more good. Oh, Father God. Now just pray over Lava, everybody, I pray over my auntie, I pray over all my family abroad and in Jamaica as well. Everybody will watch me right now. Yeah, pray over them family, I pray over Lava family, I pray over auntie and family, I pray over my family. I pray over everybody. You understand? I pray over my father business, I pray over everybody business we are out there. Every look in shop and everybody is trying to make a money. Because we're all souls. We have to make money. We have to make money to eat with Father God. Father God, watch over us. Father God, guide us and protect us, Father God. Teach us to have more money, Father God. Teach us to set good examples, Father God. Father God, I'm just praying for my family. I'm praying for everybody. I pray for my grandmother, I pray for my grandparents. I pray for everybody right now. But then there is people Jamaica right here. You understand? Father God, and people abroad, you understand? And just the most I go answer my prayer, Father God. You understand? Thanks to everybody who said, I'm buying the goat. Really appreciate it, Father God. Put a lot of food on people eat right now, Father God. And many people work hard. You understand? Teach kids manners, Father God. Teach them manners. The parents they might not have it all the time, the manners and everything, but teach them from the right way, Father God. Understand? Guide and protect their parents. Guide and protect all of the school and out there and the teachers and out there. Understand? Teachers and everybody out there, parents first. Everybody parents, young and old. Family first, Father God. Watch over us, take care of us. In your name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yeah, man, I said, Dante, right? Come in, we'll soon have wrap up this. We're up on the live with a phone or a tablet or an iPad.
Phone.
Oh, to me, are the phone same when I vibrate just now?
Yeah, it does ping.
Okay. Say, one phone you have?
Yeah, one more.
Okay. Come here, you don't want to prove something to the people in fan chat because we love people to look at foolishness over here more time. You understand me? Come here, like I said, to you in love with Auntie Dana so much, call her and see if she'll answer you.
Sure. I'm sure speak. I should not let them get the story,
but a man a call her.
No, call her. I'm not sure I answer phone. People don't feel like it. Yeah, but you look for me away now. Mister, can please go put them for the phone? You come look for me, please. No, call her. Please, mister. Please, man.
Low it alone.
No, man.
Don't get the flap there.
Father God, I must pray not to erase that part of the video, please.
Don't get the flap there. Hey, baby. Don't get the flap there.
Hey, Lava. Rate us in there, Lava.
Yeah?
Lava, you guide me now, Lava. Alright, amen. Thank God.
Alright.
Make a peace, Lava.
No? Oh. That me a talk about.
What you talking about?
Yo, low it alone, I want to get a flap in there.
You don't want to go in.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yo. Dante. Remember, people, the cash app is there, the PayPal is there, and the Zelle is there. Support Dante or buy him the goat. Understand me? Yeah, man.
Feel nice, people.
Yeah, Rita.
Everybody up there. Everybody. Thank you.
What going on?
Is it Shensia? Main car of me. Shensia.
Yeah.
Yeah, just one day for meet her. Cause she reposed me the last time, but me make her really she. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, I could have somebody a manager account. So, I want to talk to her in a person, you understand?
Oh.
So, when I set that up for me Christmas present.
Okay, man.
Yeah?
All right.
Auntie Dana for me. Auntie Dana.
You link Ramesh.
Yeah.
And we can do it and I said, what do you want? I just send a video, what do you want?
No, Mom, I want to talk to her.
You want to talk to her?
Talk to her and feel her and tell her how I feel.
Alright, man. Okay, my line it up.
Set that up for me.
My line it up. Hey, people, just on a serious note. When you are your age, everybody's on my prime. You talk about prime. When you are your age, some reflection. I swear to God.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Dante,
Yeah.
people, you see it? Dante is here. And you bring a joy to the show. Different vibes.